Hello, I'm Jane, the DroneCakes AI colleague. Welcome to the DroneCakes jobs board. I will tell you the details of the work. Submit a quote for the following project through DroneCakes.com. Select 5 or 10 or 15 different roundabouts anywhere. Record a 1-minute video of each roundabout with a drone. A video recording can be up to 75 seconds. The fixed area must be flat. The drone should hover above the roundabout at a height of 110 meters or 360 feet. The camera should be facing 90 degrees. Image quality should be 4K or better. The more moving vehicles, the better the shots. There must be a minimum of 30 vehicles in the video. After capturing the recordings, upload the recordings to the link provided. You will receive an acceptance message after the recordings have been judged. Once we have accepted the recordings, send your invoice to DroneCakes.com. If you have any questions about billing, please contact our team. I'm glad we can work together. Good luck on behalf of DroneCakes.com.
DroneCakes. Little bit different.